Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a textured 3D text in Cinema 4D and Photoshop. It's a quick and easy step, really not hard. Basically guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to start off, we will create the 3D text in Cinema 4D, and then we're going to go into Photoshop and texture it and give it color. And I'm sorry about this crashing, it does this every time I load up the font list, so I have to be quick and careful about it. So yeah, anyways, this is gonna do its thing. What you can do with this, guys, is really, if you have a bunch of textures, stuff like that, let's see, I have a ton of textures, just an enormous amount of textures, but I like to use the grunge or paper looking ones. Not really the metal, but I'll still use them if I need to. So let me find a good font here, guys, one that'll show the texture really well, and then yeah. Alright, so here's basically our stuff, okay? What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna add never mind, I'm gonna have one color to it. We will go with a shiny sort of color. Actually, we don't want a white color, that's the problem. We'll go with a chrome, because that will work really well. So we're gonna go on off, we'll save it. Let's see, we'll just name it tutorial. Man, I always mess up at spelling that. I don't know why, guys, so bear with me. So it's gonna render it out. So we'll give that a second to render, and then once it basically gets everything done, we will go into the file, which should be done in a second. So yeah, the reason why it's taking so long, guys, is because I've been rendering videos all day and I need to restart my PC, but I really just couldn't be bothered right now. I want to get a quick tutorial out for you guys, get something up on a new video up on my channel. I've gotten my view count up per day to about 60 views per day, so I'm trying really hard to get it all. That doesn't look good. Hold up, guys, that looks ugly. We don't want a white, that's the problem. So yeah, there we go. Alright, we gotta re-render it now. It's no big deal. Actually, black does render faster than white in Cinema 4D because it's less shading to deal with. So what does Reed have to say? Okay. Yeah, Skype's been really glitchy, guys, with this new update. It's really weird. Sometimes it won't show messages, it'll just show one notification. Only way you can fix it, guys, is you just hide the conversation and then let them message you back. So that's all you can really do. Man. Yeah, so my PC's running really slow right now, guys. I'm sorry about that. So anyways, this is almost finished, I'm hoping. It's finishing up the lighting stage right now. Whenever you see all these little dots all over it, guys, that's the lighting stage. And then it's going to go in after this, and it's going to start rendering out the color, as you can see here. So we will wait on that. I do want to give a quick shout out, guys, to my new network. Myself and Hunter Strine, we started up this network called InColorCode, and we're hoping to get it pretty big, guys. So I'm going to put a link in the description. Go on over there, check it out, subscribe, check out the videos once we get some up, that sort of deal. We're partnering pretty soon, and we're going to be giving you guys a lot of good content. So yeah. Alright, let's see. Tutorial. really laggy. Okay, here's our text. So it's just a quick little flat text. So what we're gonna do is we'll go into this, we'll go down to our textures. Sometimes I'll add more than one texture, but I think what I'll do is I'll just go with a little light blue texture here, sort of like a denim sort of jean texture, if you know what I mean, guys. What we did in the last tutorial, we're going to do the same thing. Control-Shift-I after selecting that part of the layer you want, rasterize it, put hardness all the way up, of course, delete everything around it. Alright, now what you can do, guys, is you can just mess around with the stuff, make it look as best as you want. I prefer to set it on to overlay, as you can see, because it gives the best effect. It's a very dark effect, but the overall setup of it all ends up giving it a very nice effect, because your goal is to guys, your goal is to provide a texture, not color. Okay, that's the whole thing that people don't understand, is you're trying to give it texture so that it will not be flat. So we're going to do the same thing again here. Control-Shift-I, rasterize, delete everything around it, overlay. I'm going to change that. Alright, so what you can see now, once we end up getting rid of this layer, it has a completely different look to it now. Alright, this is the best look you'll probably get for it, so what we're going to do is merge the layers, and then we're going to add some stuff to it, okay, guys? One things I like to add, the main things, is a gradient overlay. Now, as you'll see, it's just going to do that. You need to go in, set it to overlay again. Overlays are the key, guys, really. They really are. And then you can just mess with how good the overlay is. I usually put it at about 70%. Add a drop shadow. So that's really all you gotta really do. There you go. That's really not much of a drop shadow, but normally, as you guys have seen in the videos, I do more than that, but I'm just kind of going with it. So anyways, guys, that's how to make three-dimensional text that has textures on it. All you have to do now, guys, is throw this into your background, throw some color correction on it, some flares, whatever you want, guys, and then here you go. Alright, guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I'll talk to you guys later. Go check out InColorCode, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.